Hi, my name's Phil and a warm welcome to Festool TV. When working with solid timber, it can be a challenge to produce a joint which is quick, easy and also efficient. I could work with stationary machines, but this means more time transporting my timber from where I'm working to where the machines are. But if I work with the DOMINO XL 700, it means that I can work in one area. I can also create both halves of the joint very quickly and also efficiently. The DOMINO XL will create 2 slots. It means we can then work with these types of timber dominoes. I can work with beech dominoes for interior use, or if I'm working with an exterior type of application, we can then work with the SUPO dominoes as well. With this example piece here, you can see how the joint works. We can position the dominoes exactly in the dead centre line of where the strength of the timber is, but I can also work with this type of profile. So I can have a long shoulder and a short shoulder, which means we can produce items of joinery very, very quickly, easily and efficiently. So I need to join this middle rail onto this section here. And now we can set the DOMINO XL up to do this type of work. My timber is 40 millimetres in thickness, so I need to set my fence height to 20 millimetres. But this is very easy to do with the domino, because all we need to do is to undo the side fence, and then I can move my depth setting to 20 millimetres and then drop the fence down. So now my fence to the centre line of the cutter is set to 20 millimetres. For setting my depth of cut, we can bring the slider back to this position, and then we can move this marker all the way back to 70. So now when the cutter comes out of the machine, we will cut to a maximum depth of 70 millimetres. I can use both settings for both sections of the timber that I'm going to be working with. But working with the DOMINO XL 700 is very, very simple, because you can even reduce the amount of marking out that's required as well. So all I need are these 2 pencil marks. These are spaced equally from the 2 edges, and then all I need to do is to transfer these onto my opposite piece of timber, line the 2 up, and then we can make the joint. So the marking out has already been completed, and now I can use the centre line in this position onto the 2 pencil marks, and now we're ready to make a cut. So they're the 2 slots cut for one side. So now we can position the timber onto here, and now we can work from this end, and we can then cut the 2 slots for the opposite side. And again, the big advantage is I can work in one area. So I haven't got to transport any timber or do any of the setting up with any of the machines while we're working with this type of solid material. So the next stage is to insert the domino into the 2 slots. Can then position the rail onto its edge. and then we can bring the two halves together to create a joint which is done quickly, efficiently, but also very accurately. So we now have a joint that we can use over a long period of time and will suit the type of application that we want to use it for. So I hope this has helped your understanding of working with the Domino XL 700 and the oval jointing system, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next presentation. Thank you.